Hi everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today I'm doing Junk Journal January 2025 and I am looking at prompt number 7, which is tuck spot. And you'll be pleased to know that again this is going to be a very quick and easy page spread. I have made this in advance and I've just used an old piece of cardstock. Then I've done some messy watercolors with a line drawing, and I was inspired by ATC and more on Instagram on doing this. I've done quite a few of these with various different types of line drawings. I will link below her Instagram account and the post that's got one of these examples on there. Obviously hers is quite different, but it's definitely, that's where I was inspired. I've got a piece of digital kit from Pink Monarch Prints. I'm going to use that as the tuck spot, and I will link her Etsy or their Etsy shop and also their YouTube channel in my description box. I've got a small pile of scraps here, which are patiently sitting on my desk. Won't use all of them, but I will use some of them. And yep, this is going to be very, very simple. I'm just going to create a tuck spot here. I was thinking actually I might have those scissors in there. I quite like the scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a wavy ruler. I'm just going to reach up here, try and not knock my phone. And I'm going to go around, obviously keep that bit of scrap, and go around there. And I need to round the corner. I'm just looking for my corner punch, which seems to be hiding under a mass of things. No, oh, yep, there it is. It's to the side of me here. Right, so that goes like that. Let's just round that there. Not essential, but it's nice anyway. So that's going to be my tuck spot. So let's do a little bit of distressing. That's going to pop on there, and let's make sure that that will fit. Yes, that'll fit nicely. I thought this would go well with this page because it's quite sort of dark and grungy. So I thought the tones of the watercolor would match this. So that's why I've put it on this page. I've got this very small little piece of scrap left over from my Christmas stash. So I was going to pop that there. And I've got some sari silk. And I've got this piece of material here which matches really well with the watercolor colours. So I was going to pop that there. And I've got this leaf as well that I thought would look kind of nice. So I'm going to attempt to stitch that. Do I want to add anything else? I don't think so. I think that's enough. Yeah, I'm just going to gently stitch that together. Or the other thing I could actually do, I tell you what, I'm going to staple it. I'm going to staple it. There, stapled. Now this is quite delicate, so it may not last, but it's fine. It's fine because the creation is in the moment. Okay, so I need to glue that in place, and then I was thinking of somehow incorporating, so I could actually do that and cover the, not that I mind having the staple. Yeah, actually I think I'll leave the staple as is. Right, okay, I am going to maybe put a tinsy-wincy bit of glue there to get that leaf in place without trying to show I've got tons of glue, and I didn't do a very good job there. Actually, if I fold that and then, there we are, that does it. So let's have a look. So really this page spread is literally a piece of cardstock for the tuck spot. You could use any type of paper or fabric or anything. I've already got a background to my page, so I'm really happy with that. I may look at that in a minute, but you know, it's there and it's easy to work with. I'm just using scraps that are on my desk. And making use of digital kits, which I think are great because you can't always have original ephemera, antique documents and things. So I think that's really great. Now that is a little bit iffy there on the side. I might think of maybe putting something there. Don't think I've got anything suitable in my pile here. I've got this piece of embossing left over from yesterday's session, so that looks all right there. And maybe a little bit of I've got, well actually I've got some of these are masking tape and I've just doodled all over them. I think maybe something plain. Let's just rip some of this off. Let's see if that will do. Right, so this needs to go a little bit higher. And I need to add some glue to it. It's losing its sticky. If I pop that there. So how I've made this is I've put watercolor on there. You could use any type of ink or your distress oxides and things. Then I've stamped over it, and then there's a little bit of gold splatter on there as well, and literally that is all it is. Let's just pop this here. I think I still need something there, like a bit of brown paper. Let me grab some. Yeah, I like that. So let's put that down first. So this is brown packaging paper, which I have embossed, and it's got a little bit of distress oxide on it that I've rubbed on with a makeup brush, and I've used antique linen distress oxide on this just to enhance the embossing on it. hobby craft bag, and this again is embossed, and I have painted gesso on top to cover the garish pink and purple logo. Okay, let's grab, if I can find it. Oh, it's there, right in front of me. So you can't see too much of the background anyway, but I like that. And I might as well add a little bit of my faux sellotape for good measure. And I followed a tutorial by Bohemian Crafting for that. But it is basically sellotape and alcohol ink. Okay. I'm not going to back this. I'm going to leave that like that because it was important to me at the time. Right. So I'm going to pop this in place first. I'm going to glue it down with my messy glue gun. I'm sure Fabri-Tac would do a fab job. So my understanding of a tuck spot, I mean, this looks like a pocket, but I think a pocket you would have glued it on 3 sides, whereas a tuck spot is a sort of a way you could just tuck your ephemera in. So that is my understanding of a tuck spot, my very simple understanding. So that goes like that, and then we decided, I think, to put that down there. Or do I want to put it? No, I think I will put that decisions. I think I'll put it underneath the leaf and then maybe add a touch of glue on the leaf. So let's put that like that. Touch glue there, and there you have prompt number 7, tuck spot. Really simple. Sometimes simple is best. Keeps you on track with the daily challenges. You don't get too overwhelmed. I mean, it's good to play as well and learn new techniques and watch a few videos and yeah, do something a little bit longer. And if you've got time to do that, great. Maybe keep those prompts for the weekend. You don't have to do the prompts in order. You can jump around, and you don't even have to do them all. You can just simply do the ones that speak to you and the ones that you want to work on in your journal. So that is prompt number 7, tuck spot. This is Hilltop View Journals. Thank you for watching my very short video today. I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying the content. And please do hop over to Meg Journals, who is doing regular videos, as well as all the collaborators who are doing videos every day. I've put a lot of details in the description box, but you will find a lot more information on Meg Journals' YouTube channel. So please do go over there. There's a link in the description box for that, as well as a list of all the prompts and collaborators. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you for the next prompt. Bye bye for now.